Thomas the Tank Engine likes carrying loads.
It makes him very reliable.
But one day for Thomas, and he can see Duck taking the load.
Do you think this could be enough for you by then?
Yes, the loads be very important for me, but there's a new engine called Tari, and she wants to meet you.
Where is she?
Tari would like to wait for you at the shunting yard. Now, please excuse me, I got a load to run. And Duck left with the load.
Thomas was eager to see the new engine as he left all the way to the shunting yard.
As Thomas arrived, he could see
there was Connor with Tari. Oh, challenging me to a shunting. Don't get me started.
I bet you can't even figure this out by any means.
As Tari biffed the trucks,
Connor had then sent the rest of the loading trucks into a siding. Connor with the loaded and Tari with the empties. Think you do better, Tari? Haha.
Think again.
as Tari loaded the trucks into a hopper. Cole run down one of the trucks, then onto another, then onto another.
Soon Tari's trucks are loaded with nasty coal.
The shunter had to make sure the truck's brakes were released.
Thanks.
And as Tari left the trucks.
Bust my buffers. Tari has to be one of the most skilled engines there is on Sodor. Isn't that so?
Well, Thomas, I'm sure Tari can meet one day again with you, Thomas. Oh yeah, sure. I'll go grab her. But wait!
As Tari was taking his advance, Thomas met up.
You must be Tari, the ultimate engine. I want to ask you a question at least.
No. Sorry.
Cinders and ashes. If only Tari could even speak to me anyway.
As Tari slowed back into a hopper.
But all of a sudden, Tari felt left out. You're that very skilled engine. I heard from that.
Well, thanks for asking, Thomas. I'm sure you can, be relieved with that.
Well, Tari, can you show how the shunting yard has been done for?
Tari was nervous.
But even so was her driver. Cheer up, Tari. I bet you can show Thomas how the shunting yard was done for a change.
Okay, I'll try.
Great!
Thomas and Tari arrived right at the yards, and the trucks that needed to be in place.
Shovel, Thomas, just to see how good you are.
I may have been, but I can still do it then.
Thomas, wait!
But Thomas did not wait. He was then diverted onto a siding.
As he bumped into them. Oh! This is why the shunting yard was not in place.
Maybe I'm not good by demonstrating how good you are.
Come over here, Thomas. I think I have an idea.
Okay, fine. Tari had then set up Whack a Truck. Oh no, you're not getting me into one of those silly games from then.
Well, don't worry, Thomas. You're going to need more than just shunting matching skills, which is why you must focus.
Okay then. Soon Thomas bumped the truck fiercely, and they ran right into Caitlin.
Watch what you're doing!
Sorry, Caitlin. I was trying to play Whack a Truck that Tari just made.
Thomas, remember what I told you. Focus.
Oh yeah? If you wasn't focused, then I would have told Sir Topham Hat all about the things that you have bought me all along, instead of showing how shunting worked for you.
Forget it. Let's move on.
As Thomas and Tari went to the harbor, the trucks were soon everywhere.
So here, this must be one of those crane games. This would be one of my favorites. Right from the start.
Tari, if you let me just focus on everything instead of just asking me to do this, well, I'm gonna have to tell Sir Topham Hat about this.
Why? I bet the Topham Hat won't figure out.
As Thomas tried to grab the crane. Come on, you stupid crane, go! But the crane wouldn't even focus, as it was trying to grab one of the trucks. And it did. Got it!
Remember, Thomas, focus that aim carefully.
Okay, this must be it. This must be it! Then the crane lifted the tanker up. Yes! I went. I couldn't even help this at all! All you did was lay out games just for yourself. And you don't have secret abilities for your shunting? That's it. I'm gonna have to tell Sir Topham Hat all about this. He will hate it when I tell him this. Tari felt sorry for Thomas. As she left,
It just isn't fair as in these things. Tari's plans aren't even working.
Duck finally finished his load as he was in the depot. He left the trucks in the soon ready. Soon he had the trucks in good order and was making up for lost time. But Tari was worried. Oh, hello, Tari. What's the matter?
It's about Thomas. He just doesn't seem to go as planned.
Oh, maybe I'll just grab him at least.
Okay.
Thomas was grumbling, as he was the only engine left in the shed.
As Duck and Tari arrived,
Thomas? Is everything okay?
I was at my boiling point. As Duck and Tari finally felt sorry.
Well, don't worry, Thomas. I'm sure we can do it better next time.
Thomas was determined that he should have focused. Sorry, Tari. I just couldn't even help it.
The other engines soon found Tari and wanted to meet her. I bet I was not even done for as the other engines then.
The other engine soon did focus.
Yeah, even that.
And it would have been what you tried at least.
Then, Thomas, do you want to help me for fun from now here?
Oh, yes. Okay, then. As the engines would finally realize Tari and Thomas from their mistakes.